Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Ross with Stammer.ai, and today I'm going to be showing you a quick video on how to get everything going with a custom function that's connected to a Airtable database. So, for example, I've got an Airtable database right here that's just a list of a bunch of websites that has a couple different fields. So there's the name field, the description, tags, URL, video link, and when it was created. And so the idea here is like, this could be maybe like a CRM or some other table that has customer data or whatever it may be. But Airtable inherently is a spreadsheet esque system like this. So as long as everything is in this format of a table, everything should be able to be implemented and integrated within an AI agent that is built on Stammer AI. And so I did just that. I made one that essentially allows the user to ask about any website that is in this database. And then the AI agent will return whatever information it has about that website. So, for example, if I just pick one of these, like Elf site or Canva, just so I can spell something easy, let's start a new one here. It's like, what can you tell me about Canva? And so we can see that there is all this information right here. And we can see that in Canva, there's actually a video link. Is that video. And if we click on that, it should be the same video. Yep. Perfect. So now all the links are in this chat. So the user now has the ability to see that information. So this could be used in quite a different amount of ways. And the way that this was all built is through two different things. So, of course, we have the AI agent, and that has the custom prompt as well as the custom function. And this custom function is built inside of Replit, where you can use Replit to basically host all of this code. And once you paste in the field names and everything that correlates to your table. And the way that you get all that data is if you go into your Airtable and then you click Help and then you click API documentation. This is going to bring up a page that is specific to your table. So this would be the ID of the base. That's the number that you would paste in right here, and so on and so forth. And this is also how you create your keys, your access keys, which are right here, these personal access tokens. And then this would be able to help the code identify what each of the columns is inside the table. And so if you're not familiar on how to update all of this, you can basically just take this code and paste it into ChatGPT and say, hey, update so that way it works with all of my fields within my table. And everything should work as is. This was relatively simple. I was able to get this up within 20 or 30 minutes. And now everything is working. So now I have the ability to basically query this Airtable database for any amount of information. And this is how I was able to use Recbin to quickly test this. So, for example, if you type in any type of website or query, it will return whatever information that is closest. So, if I typed in the word tuna, it would return all the data for the website emailtuna.com. So that's how, this is a very simple example of how you can query an Airtable database. There's a lot of other items inside their API and as well as inside their permissions. When you select them when you're creating your access token, it gives you the ability to write data. So in theory, you could also have this update the table based off of certain actions as well. But this is the simpler use case of being able to pull down data from a database to help influence the AI agent. So that way it has all of the live data from the Airtable, like so. So that's how you create a integration or a custom function. That's how you create a custom function with Airtable. The code that you can use to copy this will be linked down below. And you can basically just copy and paste that into the ChatGPT, like I said, to make it work. and everything should work. So that's about it for this one. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let us know, and I'll talk to you next one. Thanks.